Hello guys, this is Brent from SUNSOUL Auto Accessories Company. Today I will introduce you the product for tire valve core puller. And you can see there are 3 types for tire valve collar, and this one material for rubber, and this one material for steel, and another one for the plastic. Now I will show you our new design box for the product, and you can see there are the product picture and the code on it, and more information on the box. And if you want to know more information, and just contact us by email or WhatsApp.